Boise, Idaho, the city of trees. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the real truth about moving here that nobody tells you. French trappers call it La Boise, which means the woods. Fast forward, and now people are flooding in for the outdoor adventures and so-called cheap living. But is it really a paradise? Pro number one, the outdoor dream. The outdoors here is next level. Over 200 miles of hiking trails and 25 miles riverside bike path. And the ski resort is just 16 miles from downtown. You can literally clock out of work and go on the mountain trails 15 minutes later. Pro number two, economical appeal. Jobs, Strong, Micron, Albertson, HP all have a big presence here. Unemployment sits lower than national average, and the cost of living is only slightly above average. Way better than coastal cities that eat your paychecks a lot. Pro number three, culture and vibe. And Boise isn't boring. Tree front music festival, Shakespeare's Under the Stars, and of course, the wild blue turf of Boise State. And they drop a giant potato on New Year's Eve. Yes, a potato. The city has its own flavor. But here's where things flip. The cons, the stuff that people don't tell you about before moving here. Con number one, housing shock. Get ready for sticker shock. Medium houses are pushing $4,900. Even a small studio for $1,000 to $15,000. A 2-bedroom close to $2,000, but you'll need about $77,000 of household income just to breathe. Con number two, rapid growth. Boise grew 15% in the last decade. 10-minute drive now takes 30. Grocery lines packed. Daycare waitlist for months. That small town charm everybody brags about is fading fast. Con number three, geographical isolation. You're kind of on an island. Salt Lake, 5 hours away. Portland, 6. Flights out of Boise are limited. If you need big city access or travel often, this can be frustrating. Con number four, you need a car. Public transit almost doesn't exist. The bus system is thin, especially at night and weekends. No subway, no rails. Owning a car isn't optional, it's survival here. Con number five, weather extreme. Boise swings hard. Summer hits 90 plus for weeks. Winter drops in its 20 with snow. 4 seasons sounds romantic until you're paying the heating and cooling bill year round. Verdict? So who's thriving in Boise? Outdoor lovers that have solid incomes who like small city vibes. Who's struggling? The people expecting small town prices and big city amenities. That combo doesn't exist. And if you're actually moving here, long distance moves aren't a DIY project. Mountain roads, steep driveways, old neighborhoods, it's a pro movers territory. Save DIY for local movers. So knowing all this, would you still move to Boise? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more real moving talks.